Hello guys, it's your boy Bolt FX. Today we are looking at Bitcoin USD. It's been a while I posted online, and the reason is very simple. People like to see result, people like to see money, people like to see you do it successfully. But if you have been following me, you'll notice that my trades are 70% successful. The analysis I give on YouTube are 70% successful. And if you can get a 70% success rate, I think you are good to go. If everybody tells you it's 100% successful, I would like to meet such a person and learn what he knows. There's always room. You see, one thing I believe is there is no boss in trading. There is no guy whatever in trading. No, you don't have such. So why am I showing you this Bitcoin chart? If you take a Bitcoin at a look at 1 hour time frame, I don't know the kind of the way you trade. I don't know what you look for in trade, but I don't like what I'm saying here, and I don't like it. You see, a chart where there is so much wick like this on the downside, on the upside, to me it's a very rough chart, and I would rather stay away from it. But no, I don't stay away from such a chart. Rather, I try to take it on the long term kind of trade. So what do I mean? I go to my daily time frame, and what do I see? Very clear. The market came impulsively. What do I mean by impulsive? Look at this market from here down here. It's an impulsive move. Whether it's the news, whether it's I don't care to know, but this is an impulsive move. And when you see too much of candles, too much of candles like this, is a corrective move. You scroll to the left, you see what I'm saying again. Take a look at this. Impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, and so on and so forth. So you can agree with me that the clear face of the market is what? On the downside. Look at this move I caught here. Yes, look at the move I caught here. So go back to where we are right now. So what am I looking for? I'm only looking for how to catch this move from the support, and that's why I put my red line here. As should the price get to this area, in fact, should the price get to this area, I'm looking for reactions. Now you might say, what if it does not get to this red line in particular? That's the beauty. That's the beauty of my system. Look at something here. You see, I like to put it below the wick, below where the candle closes. So I like to put my lines like that. Put it here again. You get it now? So that is the area I'm going to be watching. So in any of these area, I need to see reactions. I need to see rejections. It will tell us if there is going to be a strong move. Now, I tell you something. If you are going to take a trade for a long time, you will be looking for your confirmation on a bigger time frame. But if you want to trade for a short while, you will go to a small time frame and look for your entries. What do I mean? There are different ways to get confirmation for entries, but I will share one of my own format with you. Now, should the market dance its way back to this area, I'll look for either of these three candlestick formation. I'll look for an engulfing candle, or I'll look for an engulfing bullish candle, by the way, or I'll look for a 3-line strike in a bullish direction, or I'll look for a dominant break. In another video, I'll show you what this simply means. So looking at this now, we have seen clearly that we have gotten my format for entry. So when you see such kind of candle formation in a particular strong zone, is a sign of entry. It's a sign that you can take the trade. Because looking at this chart, you will see that there are many of those formations in the middle of the chart here, but it does not signal, doesn't signal entry because it's in no particular zone. But the market was coming with strong force all the way from here down like this. Then it got here, it bounced off. It came back to test it, it bounced off. And it got to this area where market tried to, push up, and it got pushed down. It went back there to that same area, it got pushed down again. Now it's coming down slowly. Now if it gets to this place, will it do the same thing that this previous one has done? There's only way to find out. That is when we sit, we patiently observe. And let's go to the bigger time frame. I'll start on the weekly time frame to see what you are looking at. Damn, this is a strong flush. A strong flush. Now, there's always going to be, how will I put it, a reaction. What do I mean? Move that line, let it be here. There will always be a reaction. Let me show you something. Market came down from here, it found support here, it went up, it came down, it went up, it came down again, it went up to this area of support, it formed resistance, then it flushed, clearing this support. It flushed. Now observe something. The market tried to find to form a zone here, and why is that? Because of this previous support. So it formed a resistance here. Now what happened next? You scroll to the left side, you scroll like this. What do you see? As it got rejected from this area of support, it flushed down. Now if I was to be a swing trader, I've gotten a confirmation to sell this market. What do I mean? I got an engulfing, a bearish engulfing in this zone. So I'll take my entry here. When the candle closes, I'll take my entry and I'll hold this market, put my stop loss above here. Now hold this market for the next weeks. And what do we have? Money. But like I told you, this market is going on a downward move. But is there any hope for us to buy this market? Why are we buying this market? Why do I want to buy this market? Why do I feel there will still be a buy? Let's go to the bigger one, the monthly time frame. Without saying much, you realize that we have gotten to a particular resistance area in the past. Now, if anything is to happen, the market might like to come to this other resistance and find support there, and from there it rally back up to this this area of support on a monthly time frame where I mark this my zone here. So you might find support here and rally back up. Now we do not just enter trade blindly based on our analysis, but we allow market to give us a go. What do I mean by a go? We allow market to first get to that area, react, then before we take our entry. We like market to enter the zone, make reactions before we take our entry. You do not enter without getting your confirmation. Now if I look at this bullish candle, this area here, how I would have taken this area. Imagine I was to take this bullish candle, how would I have cut this bullish candle? Let's go to 4 and see if we do not get any of the candlestick I've mentioned earlier. I'm doing this live, I've not checked it before, so let's check if I can get my confirm from either 4 or 1 hour for a bullish move once it touches that place. Voila, what do you see here? The market came into this zone, a previous area of support. Look at it here, a previous area of support. The market came here, it came here with a big black candle, got a bearish, and it came down a black, and we now got a bullish engulfing, in a smaller time frame. What you see right here is what we call a double bottom, a reversal pattern. But this bullish engulfing is my own signal to go long. It's my own signal to go long. So imagine I was to take this trade. What would my risk to reward? Let me see my risk to reward. Say I took this trade, I'll be taking it, I'll wait for this retrace, I'll take it from here. I'll be risking all over, let me just say right below here, I'll be risking 6,225. So let's see, we are going for 1:2. We're looking at 12,550. Let's go for 12,550. Let's see if we are able to make it. 12,550. Let us put this our line there to see if we were able to catch a good risk to reward on this trade. How do you see it? Bam! I think you get the point now. So I risk this much to catch double of it. I risk this much to catch double of it. That's the beauty of swing trading. It might take a long amount of days. Let me even see how many days it took us to reach there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's approximately 13 days. 13, that's 3 weeks. It took us 3 weeks to catch this trade from where we are down to the take profit zone. It took us good 13 days. And that's the beauty of swing trading. Now, with this knowledge I've shared with you, you can be as freaking profitable as you might want to be. But unfortunately, I don't have the money and I cannot trade like a boss. I'm living on Forex. I'm a full-time trader. I put my 100, I make my 10, I make my 5, I make my 6 just to meet. Still waiting when God is going to make way for me. So that will be all for today on Bitcoin. I'll be waiting. I'll be looking for your comments. I'll be looking for your encouragement. I'll be looking for your abuses. I'll be looking for whatever comments you might want to make. And if you don't want to reach out to me, if you don't want to invest with me, if you don't want to trade with me, want to learn from me, just put your comment in the comment section down there, guys. I'm really grateful for your time. Sorry that it's going to be a long one, but I wish you can stay throughout and learn one or two from this. Peace.